This is the HISENSE RoKU TV, and this is just a guide to navigate the settings. So from the remote, you hit the home button and go to settings and scroll down to the system. So we're just gonna navigate the system right now, and from there the system is gonna show you the about. So it's gonna show you the details of your TV if you need it. Usually you will need it if you call the support, the zip code if you've entered it there, time. You can set a sleep timer there at the time zone and the clock settings, and also power. So you can set it up how you turn the power on, and then you got the auto power settings there. You can also find the USB settings. You can set it up as auto launch, so you don't have to do anything when you connect a USB. And then control other devices, CEC. So you have that settings as well. The language, you can change it there anytime. And also the screen mirroring. So you can change the mode there, or you can also add the devices to mirror screen. So, and then from here as well is where you can update your software. So if your TV has not updated the software yet, you can do it manually over here. And then finally, the advanced system settings. So from here you can factory reset your TV. If you feel like you have the need to do that, you can. You can also reset the audio or picture settings, and then you can factory reset everything. So you'll have that option. And from there you can, if you need to reset your network connection, you can reset it here to refresh it if you're having issues with it. And then there is device connect. So you can enable or disable it, and then control by mobile apps. So right now it's set up for network access, which is limited, but again, here is where you're gonna go for your settings. So home, settings, and system. And this is the HISENSE RoKU TV.